Top 5 Large Cap Mutual Funds to Invest in India for 2025. Investing in large cap mutual funds means betting on well-established companies with stable financials and market dominance. These funds focus on the top 100 companies by market capitalization, offering consistent growth, lower risk, and steady returns. But why are they so essential for your financial portfolio? Large cap funds are ideal for risk-averse investors seeking long-term wealth creation. Whether you're starting your investment journey or diversifying your assets, these funds provide opportunities to grow your wealth with peace of mind. Let's explore the top 5 large cap mutual funds worth considering in 2025. Nippon India Large Cap Fund stands out for its solid performance across market cycles. With disciplined management and a balanced portfolio, the fund has delivered competitive 3-year and 5-year returns. Its investment strategy focuses on companies offering high scalability and market leadership. This makes it a dependable pick for long-term investors aiming for stability and growth. ICICI Prudential Large Cap Fund is known for its robust process and meticulous stock selection. It diversifies across sectors, helping mitigate risks while benefiting from growth in diverse industries. Over the last 3 and 5 years, this fund has showcased consistent performance. It's ideal for those looking for reliable returns with lower volatility in their portfolio. Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund has built a reputation for delivering consistent growth through its smart allocation to fundamentally strong companies. By picking market leaders and resilient stocks, the fund ensures steady returns even during uncertain markets. Its impressive 3-year and 5-year returns make it an excellent choice for investors looking to grow wealth with stability. Edelweiss Large Cap Fund shines with its focus on quality blue-chip stocks. Its investment strategy leans toward companies with excellent financial health and proven growth records. With promising 3-year and 5-year returns, this fund offers confidence to investors who prioritize dependable outcomes. It's a strong contender for inclusion in any diversified portfolio. One of the most popular large cap funds in India, HDFC Top 100 Fund, specializes in stocks with strong earnings potential and low downside risk. Being a trusted name, it has delivered competitive 3-year and 5-year returns. This fund is a go-to for conservative investors looking for steady growth backed by a proven track record. As India's economy scales new heights, large cap companies are poised to drive a substantial portion of the growth. These funds allow you to benefit from this momentum while minimizing exposure to market fluctuations. Large cap funds are perfect for safeguarding your wealth during uncertain times while still capturing steady returns. For 2025, they remain a smart, low-risk investment strategy. Now that you know the top 5 large cap funds and their stellar potential, it's time to act. Review your financial goals, consult a financial advisor, and start investing in these funds to secure your future. Don't wait. Begin your journey toward wealth creation and financial stability today. Click subscribe, like this video, and share it to help others invest smarter.